Hi, this is my reflective activity for CST 250. To start off, just a couple notes before taking the class, some recommendations. Take a couple higher level programming language classes, um, Java, Python, C++, just to get an understanding of how programming works as a whole. That's really helpful. SCR 232 was an important class that I thought was helpful for me to take. I learned about binary and hex, which is heavily used in this class. So being really proficient as that in that is really helpful. Just do a little research on assembly language or MIPS before class, just to get kind of a conceptual understanding of what you're getting into. It's a very different type of language than what you're used to. It's a lower level language, so it works closer with the CPU and the hardware as opposed to a higher level language. Just be patient with the class and understand that it's going to take some time getting used to the language. Just some things, what I learned during the class, obviously PLP is what it's in, so you'll obviously learn that, but group work is something that you'll definitely learn how to be better at that. 2 out of the 4 assignments are done in group work. Make sure that you actually learn what your partners are doing and not just yourself. Make sure you constant communication with them. Ask questions if you don't know stuff, because you actually need to know the entire program of how it runs. One thing that also really helped me was actually understanding how PLP compared to higher level languages. So it's not explicitly said in class, but my own research, I'd put a comment in all of my programs, or a lot of them, like the Java syntax equivalent, so it would help me actually understand the flow of the code, which was really helpful. Just some other recommendations. Make sure you utilize office hours and Piazza. Piazza is a website where you can do questions and answers with the professor, the TAs, and the other people in your class, which is really helpful. I personally had a tutor that I was working with. You just don't want to get behind in this class, because it really it can happen really easily. One thing also I would say, a change to the class, give us better notifications on when quizzes are, because I know I missed a couple myself just because there'd never be a reminder before that quiz, or it'd be like way before, like weeks before, and then you'd never, I'd always forget when it was. So more constant reminders would be really helpful with that. Okay, thanks.